My dear students, welcome to my online class. Hopefully all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss Higher Mathematics exercise 5.7. Let's start. Question number 4. The question is, solve the following equation graphically. Okay, and the equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. That means we have to identify the solution or show the solution graphically by using this equation. Okay, now follow the solution process. At first, let another variable y equal this equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Okay, here for different value of x we have to identify different value y. Okay, by using a table. Now we find the value of y. Okay, value of y corresponding to value x. Value of y corresponding to value x. Okay, by using a table. Here next I draw a table. Here see that the table is now using this equation for different corresponding value of x we can identify the value of y. Okay, now for x equal to 0 by using this equation, here see that 2 into 0 minus 7 into 0 plus 3, that means y equals to 3. Okay, and now if x equal to 1, then by using calculator we can find the value of y is minus 2. Okay, and then now if x equal to 2, then by using the calculator we can find the value of y is minus 3. Okay, and now if x equal to 3, we can find the value of y is 0. And now if x equal to 4, by using calculator, okay, by using calculator if x equal to 4, then we can find the value of y equals to 7. Now plotting the point from the table on the graph, then we can find out our solution of this equation. Okay, so we can write after plotting the point. After plotting the point from the table, we can draw the graph of the equation. The graph of the equation. So now we plot the point from the table on the graph. Okay, here see that on the graph we let 2 small square equals to 1 unit. 2 small square equal to 1 unit. That means the here see that on the table first point is 0 3, second point 1 minus 2, and third point 2 minus 3, fourth point 3 0, and last point 4 7. Okay, so 2 small square equals to 1 unit. That means we multiply the each point by 2. So 0 3, first point 0 3, so the point is 0 into 2, that means 0, and 3 into 2 6. So plot on the graph the point 0 3 is here 0, and 3 into 2, that means 6. The point 0 3 is 0 6. So this is the 0 3 point. So mark here the point 0 and 3. Okay, and then second point is 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 into 2, that means 2. So x-axis is 2, the value is here, and minus 2 and into 2, that means 4. So minus 2 into 4, that means this is the minus 2 4. Okay, and then mark here the point is minus 2, 1 and minus 2. So 1 and minus 2. Okay, and the next point is 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 3, so that means 2 into 2, that means 4. So the 4 of x-axis value is here, and then minus 3 into 2 6. So 4 6, the value is here. This is the value of 4 6. Mark the point here 4 and minus 2 and minus 3. 2 minus 3. This is the point 2 minus 3. and then here last next point 3 0. So 3 into 2 6, 6 0 the point is here, this is the point 6 0. So mark here the point 6 0, that means 3 0. From the table this point is 3 0, and then next point 4 7. So 4 into 2, that means 8. So the 8 from the x-axis is this, and 7 into 2 14. So 8 14, 5 10 and 14. This is the 8 14 point. That means this point is 4 7. Okay, so now in freehand draw the graph as like that. Draw the each point on the graph accordingly. See that and follow the process. Okay, this is the graph. Yeah, okay, this is the graph. After joining each point on the graph intersect x-axis in this point and this point. This point is on x-axis, the unit is 1 square unit, but here see that we let 2 small square equals to 1 unit. That means this point is, we can say that 0.5 and 0. So this point is, we can say that 0.5 and the y is 0 unit. Okay, and the intersecting x-axis another point is 3 0. So we can write the graph. We can write the graph. The graph intersect x-axis at the point 0.50, 0.50, and the another point is 30. So we know the point here, first point is the value is x, and also this first point value is x. So we can say the required solution of x is 0.5 and 3. Okay, so solution, we can say solution of x is equal to, the value is 0.5 and another value is 3. This is our answer. I hope everybody clear. Now question number 10. The question is, twice the square of a number is less by 3 than 5 times of the number. And second part, but 5 times of the square of that number is greater by 3 than 2 times of the number. So by using this system, have to solve 1, 2 and 3. That means these 3 questions. Now first one, form the equations using the information given by the above stimulus. That means by using this information, have to form the equation. Okay, now first one, let's see that. First one, the question says twice the square of the number. So at first let the number be x. So let the number is x. Okay, so we can form the equation as twice the square of the number, twice the square, so 2x square, twice the square of the number is equal less by 3 then 5 times of the number, less by 3, that means minus 3. So 5 times of the number 5x and less by 3, that means minus 3. This is equation 1. So form 1. And then next part, but 5 times of the square of that number is, so we can write 5 times of the square. So 5x square equals to 5 times square of the number is greater by 3, greater, that means plus, greater by 3 then 2 times of the number. So 2 times of the number greater by 3. This is equation 2. So first one complete. From equation using the information given by the above stimulus. So this is 2 equation from this system. So first one complete. Now second question. The question is solve the first equation using formula. Okay, first equation. Where is first equation? Now from 1 we can write the first equation. So from 1 the first equation is 2x square equals to 5x minus 3. Okay, that means now we have to solve this first equation by using formula. Now by rearranging we can write 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation form. Okay, now comparing this quadratic equation with standard quadratic equation. Now we can write comparing this equation with the standard equation is, we also know, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation. Here compare these two equations. A, coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of x square 2. That means a equal to 2, and coefficient of x is b. Here coefficient of x is minus 5. That means b equal to minus 5, and the constant term c, and constant term is 3. That means c equal to 3. Okay, but the solution of quadratic equation, we know x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the solution of quadratic equation formula. Okay, now using the value of a and b here, so minus b is minus 5, so minus 5, and then plus minus root b square, so minus 5 square, that means 25, and then minus 4ac, formula 4a, the value of a is 2 into 2, and c is 3, divided by 2 into a, the value of a is 2. So now by using this 2 into 2, that means 4, minus into minus 5, so 5, plus minus root 25 minus 4 into 2 into 3, that means 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24, so 24. So here see that this is 4 divided 5 plus minus 24 minus 25 minus 24, that means 1, root 1, that means only 1. So we can say that 5 plus 1 divided by 4, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 1 divided by 4, and the another value is 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so we can say that the value is 5 plus 1, 6 by 4, that means 3 by 2, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, so 4 by 4 is 1. So the required solution x equal to 3 by 2 and 1. This is our answer. I hope everybody clear. Now third one, the question is solve the second equation using by graph. So from 1, second equation is, from 1 we can write, from 1 the second equation is 5x square equals to 2x plus 3. This is the second equation. So by simple calculation we can write 5x square minus 2x then minus 3 equal to 0. Suppose by solving the graphical method we can start the process. Suppose, or let the another variable y equals to 5x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, now for different value of x we can find the value of different value of y and then plotting this value on the graph. Okay, so now we can write, we find the value of y corresponding to different value of x, value of y corresponding to different value of x. Okay, by using a table. Okay, now follow the process. At first draw the table as like that. Now create this table from this equation of different corresponding value of x, find the value y. Okay, here see that if x equal to 0, from this equation by using calculator we can get y equals to minus 3. If x equal to 1 and then y equals to 0. If x equal to 2, y equals to 13. If x equal to minus 1, then y equals to 4. And if x equal to minus 2, then y equals to 21. Okay, then now plotting this point on the graph. Okay, here see that we can write, after plotting the points from the above table, we draw the graph of the equation. Okay, now here see that plotting the point on the graph. Here first point is 0 minus 3. So plot in this graph 0 minus 3 is here 0 minus 3. So minus 3 is lower part of x-axis. So 0 minus 3. This is the 0 minus 3 point. And then mark this point as 0 and minus 3. Okay. And the next point is 1 0. So 1. The value of 1 is x-axis. So x1 and 0 0. That means this is 0.10. So mark this as 1 0. 1 comma 0. Okay. And the next one is 2 13. So value of 2 on x-axis. So 2 and then 13. 5, 10 and 13. This is 2 13 point. So mark this the point 2 and 13. And then minus 1 4. Minus 1 4. Minus 1 is the value is right hand side of x-axis. That means this is minus 1 and 4. Positive value of 4 is upper part. That means minus 1 4 is here. So mark this point minus 1 4. So minus 1 and 4. Okay. Okay. Then last one minus 2 and 21. Minus 2. The value of minus 2 is left part of the x-axis. So minus 2 here. And then 21. 21 is 5, 10, 15, 20 and this is 21. Okay. Now join each point on the graph. Join every point by freehand. Okay, here see that. Now joining. Okay. After joining all the point, the graph intersect at the point x-axis 1 0 and then another part of this part intersect x-axis more than 0.5. That means 0.6 point on this part and this value is negative value. Okay, so you can write the graph intersect x-axis at the point 1 comma 0 and then another point is minus 0.6 comma 0. This point is more than 0.5 and the value is in y-axis of left hand side is negative value. That means we can say that this is minus 0.6 and the value of here in x-axis y is 0, this point. So we can say that here see that the value of x is here, the coordinate point of x, this is x and this is also x. That means the required solution of this graph and required solution of this equation is, so we can say that solution of this equation, solution x equals to 1 and then another value is 0.6 minus 0.6, another value is minus 0.6. I hope everybody clear. If you face any difficulty in this lecture, you may ask me question anytime. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.